Today we go to Sukhumvit, Soi 24. It's a very popular street because of its strategic location. Very popular for foreigners and especially Japanese, Korean expats and Western expats like this Soi because it's connected to BTS Pronghpong. A lot of choice of restaurants, shopping malls. You have Emporium and Quartier, you have Tesco, Lotus, you have everything in the Soi. If we talk about property, about condominiums in Soi 24, it's an interesting mix of older condominiums with larger apartments and new condominiums that are, most of new condominiums in the Soi are luxury and expensive. So if we watch on all statistics, there are 12 condominiums in Soi 24 and 10 of them located straight on the main Soi 24 and 2 located in small sub-Soi. And if we will compare condominiums in Soi 24 with condominiums in Soi Asok 21, we can see that average age of 24 condominiums are 18 and average age of condominiums in Soi 25 is less than 10. Means there are much more older condominiums in this in Soi 24. As a result, the price for condominium in Soi 24 is higher, not because it's more luxury, but because they are bigger. The average size of condominiums is bigger. But the average size per square meter in Soi 24, 154,000 baht per square meter, is lower than average price in Soi 21, that is more than 170,000 per square meter. This is my main job, to analyze numbers. Will always ask me to provide most updated information about property market, about projects in our area. And today we are going to visit condominium President Park. This condominium in Soi 24 located at the end. Actually, to approach President Park you need to walk all the way from BTS Pronghpong 1 kilometer inside, and President Park will be the last condominium in Soi 24. It's located in the point where 24 and 22 meet together. Yes, this area is considered as a prestigious area, and the President Park condominium was built 25 years ago in 1996. There are two nice towers, high towers, and all the apartments are large. The minimum apartment is more than 220 square meter, while the price per square meter in this condominium is lower than average in Bangkok by 25 to 30%. Still, condominiums are more than 15 million baht because they are large. In this video, you will walk with us from BTS Pronghpong all the way 1 kilometer inside Soi 24. We will show you shortly every condominium in the main Sukhumvit 24 street. There are 10 of them, while President Park will be the last, the 10th. And we will show you all the facilities of this condominium. Enjoy our video, and if you have any questions, please contact Win. Contact details of Remax Condo-D you can see here on the screen. And if you like our videos, don't forget to push the like button. If you still not subscribed to our channel, and if you like to see more content from us on every few days, please subscribe. And the best way is to push the notification button. You will receive alerts. If you have any questions, please contact us. We will be happy to answer your questions. Khun Win always available for meeting customers. And thank you for watching our videos. Bye. Today we show you President Park condominium. If you like our format and if you like statistical information presented by our expert Kun Win Win, please leave your comment. If you want to get information about some specific soy or specific building in Bangkok Central Business District, please leave a comment. We will see what we can do, how we can help you. Again, please don't forget to subscribe to our video, contact us. You can see information here on the screen. And if you like our videos, push a like button. Thank you for watching. Bye.